What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video and a middle of the day market update. First of all, I just uploaded a trading education video as well today, but also yesterday. Check those out if you want to. They're very valuable. I make them for free. I think they seriously help you make some more money in the market. So if you have some time, they're very short. They're like 20 minutes for both. Check that out. But in this video, we're going to do a full market overview. So far today has been relatively bullish, but what we talked about this morning as well is that the markets right now we're in weekend modes. All right. So what you see is that the volume is still very low. The volume has crept up a little bit, up to 13 billion right now. That's still very low. So just to prepare you, what's going to happen is that more capital is going to flow into the markets in the next 24 hours. Capital on top of low volumes will create volatility. All right, so be careful for that. Moves that you see right now, so for example, Ethereum beta is relatively strong. If you look at Pendle, which is a crypto I'm in right now, but also if you look at a crypto like Athena and in general Ethereum, they're all relatively strong. However, that can turn around very, very quickly because moves in the weekend sometimes just don't stick. So be careful for that. There's not much news you need to know about for next week. We have some news on Thursday, which I will keep you updated on. But for now, the biggest question is, what will Bitcoin do? All right, the main resistance level we have for Bitcoin, and that's also the major bearish breakout we had last Friday or Thursday, I'm not sure when. But the main breakout we had is below this level right here at 67,000 and 66,500. Technically, it goes all the way down to 66,000, but right now, 67, 66.5, that's the main level. So what we need to see is that when that new capital flows back into the markets, and we talked about this as well on in the video this morning, we have enough bullish catalysts, right? I mean, the stock market is still doing great. We have the Ethereum ETF coming very soon. The political situation in the US is relatively bullish. We got some positive economic events, at least positive for crypto. So the fundamentals are there. But now what we need to see is that when the volume goes up, so when we're at $20 billion in volume, for example, was that volume bullish? If yes, and we can get a breakout above 67,000, I expect short-term bullish momentum, but that is something you need to see first. So wait for that confirmation. Because so far, and I've said this for the last couple of days, so far, we're only bearish, all right? Even though today is relatively good, we've had no significant bullish breakouts, and there's no volume supporting any of the bullish momentum we saw today. So be careful, all right? This could be one big bull trap. Unless we see confirmation, which is a breakout with volume, you gotta stay bearish. And you gotta know that bearish momentum is the most likely scenario. But right, assuming that we stay bullish, there are some cryptos, and just in general as well, I think you need to keep an eye on. So first of all, Ethereum is performing relatively well against Bitcoin, which means you need to keep an eye on Ethereum beta coins. And right now, my favorites, like I said, are Athena, which I think is relatively bullish, found a very strong support on the daily time frame here, and Pendle, which I'm already in, but you can see that we are forming some sort of a reversal right here. So that's interesting as well. But Ethereum beta is also LDO, SSV, for example, basically everything to do with Ethereum. And then apart from that, some others I like is WIF, which also hit a significant support level and has shown some momentum from there. I think that's one to watch, but this will only rally if Bitcoin is bullish, right? So wait for the confirmation. I think TRB or Teller is actually getting some bullish breakouts right here. Bit of a scam coin, but that also means that you can make some money with it. Boom, I think, is also a meme coin that has some potential here. So keep your eyes on that. And then apart from that, like Kaspa, I still think is good, but we need some more confirmation. IO is very, very risky to trade, I think. So that's, for now, I think what you need to know, especially TRB and Ethereum beta coins are the coins I think you need to keep an eye on. So make sure to do that and wait for that confirmation for Bitcoin. Wait for the volume, see which way the volume makes the price move. And then based on that, you can kind of assume what the most likely next direction is. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.